let the beat drop in.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from the English group and science group and total
Sleeping Beauty. Once upon a time there was a king and queen who were not happy because they had not children. Although the kingdom prospered and the people lived in the peace, the absence of a child made them feel always sad. One day, when the queen was bathing in the palace lake, a frog jumped out of the water to the edge of the lake. Surprisingly, the frog can talk. Your wish will soon be granted. Before the turn of the year, you will have a daughter. What the frog said came true. The queen conceived and eventually gave birth to a very beautiful little girl. The king and queen were so happy that they had a big feast celebrated by the whole kingdom. In the palace, he not only invited relatives, friends, and court officials, but also noble women who were considered wise. In the kingdom, there were 13 great women, but because there were only 12 gold palaces, the king and queen invited 12 of them.
This feast was held with all kinds of beauty, and when it ended, the great wise woman, one by one, gave gifts in the form of magic to the princess, some in the form of virtue beauty. All unnoticed when the elven great woman finished giving the gift of magic, suddenly the 13th great woman entered. The priest had wanted to thank the king and queen for not inviting him, and without saying a word or even saying a nod, he wept in a loud voice, the king's daughter and the egg 15 will the firm being stabbed by a swing needle. And without saying a word, he turned and left the room. We were all taken aback. Then the wild, majestic female who had yet to give a gift rushed forward, and alternately he was unable to undo the curse of the 13th great woman he called, only softened the curse he sighed. Princess won the firm needle stick at 15 shall just fall asleep and will wake up after 100 years from the moment he was stabbed with a swing needle. The king, who attempted to save his beloved daughter from the curse of the 13 women, immediately ordered that all swing needles should not be around the place. Meanwhile, the magical gift of the great woman came true. The princess grew into a beautiful, keen, intelligent wise princess, and everyone who saw her began both to love her. One day, at the age of the princess, who was 15, the king and queen were leaving the plains to make a feast to outer kingdom. The princess fled fear and wandered around the place. He visited Pharaoh's palace, and in one corner of the kingdom he saw an old tower. The princess was very curious about the tower and entered it. He climbed up the narrow winding staircase and saw a small door. The rusty lock smiled to stick to the small door. The princess then slowly opened the door. In the room there is an old woman swinging corners and looks very busy. Branches in the finger was accidentally pierced by the needle. Instantly, the branch's body became weak and fell to the floor, fast asleep. What happened to the branches spread throughout the kingdom. The king and queen who had just returned to the place suddenly fell asleep. The horse went to sleep in the stable, the dog in the cart, the dove on the roof, the fields on the wall, even the free burning in the free place. Came calm down and sleep. All around the place ahead of the began to grow with ground tall every year and eventually grew to cover the entire place. So high the tall became like I felt that covered it that even the place could not be seen from the outside. But the story of the sleep of the king's beautiful and charming daughter spread to other kingdoms from time to time. Princes come and try to get dark. The bird went into the place, but no one ever managed to do it. In fact, some of them were trapped by a hedge of them and detained in a sad way.
After many years, the news about the beautiful sleeping princess came to the ears of a busy prince from across the country. As the news about the fortress of Thamesat was very dangerous. Was threatening, it did not stop the brave prince from trying to break the right. The princess said, I am not afraid. I will go and see the beautiful sleeping princess. When the fallen prince came to the kingdom of the sleeping princess, protected by the fortress of Thamesat, coincided with all 100 years from the dancing princess, was stabbed by a swing needle. When the dancing prince came to the outside of the palace, suddenly the tourney tree bloomed into beautiful flowers, and at the same time, overnight, the wife for the prince to go deeper. The prince finally arrived at the palace. He saw the dog sleeping in the foyer of the palace as well as the horse in the stable. On the roof, the dog sleeping fast.
The prince finally went around the place and found sleep because he see instead of deep sleep in the corner of the place. In Princess was in the old tower desolated he climbed up the mound winding staircase and saw a thin lit door in an open stage inside. He saw the enchanting beautiful princess sleeping gratefully. The dancing princess could not take his eyes off the beautiful sleeping princess. If by magic he had the princess breathed down and kissed princess on the forehead.
The two of them then came out of the old tower hand in hand, and sometime the king and queen had also woken up from their sleep, including and the peace official who looked at Arthur in Amazon, and the horses in the Claudia stood up and saw themselves. The dog jumped
up and forget tile the dove on the king, queen, and the ancient kingdom were overjoyed at the curse of the Titan. Great woman had been broken, and because the prince and the princess were in love with each other, and had a magnificent wedding which was held in a room of the peace. The sleeping princess and the dancing prince lived happy until the end of their life.
Thank you for your nice attention and see you.